Why do you beat a woman who is weaker than you? If you want to fight, look for men and you fight. But you beat a woman, I don't think you are really. I have been with the Honorable Janet for 47 years. I have never even pushed her, even to push her. It is really a big weakness for anybody to beat a woman or even a child. I don't believe in beating children. I believe in talking. You can beat by talking. You can beat her with the tongue. Tongue lashing. You use your tongue to lash the child or your partner. That's the one you use. And she can also use the tongue also to counter lash you. That's all right. It's not the best, but it's better than beating. So really we should sensitize men that beating women is cowardly. For rape and defilement, we have already provided a death sentence. So the problem is not the law. The law is already there, but you don't report it, and or you don't bring enough evidence. Honorable Tulabazi had a good point that some of the police people still regard beating as a domestic matter.
Minister Tumwebaze alobirari polisi ishishira iri kukupa ishoshe mungo ishiri shindu shikuluna bitabe bye mungo.
But the women should be sensitized. If the police do not take up your case, contact your political leaders. You have got all these political leaders, the woman MP, the constituency MP, the councillor. Why can they not take up all these complaints? Even if the police don't act, you can report them and then we shall act against the police.
Nga polisi yakuira ukuyimulungunya kuota rashino holerera member wa parliament owengasi obowesetsa ni bakasalazi bose babashikiriya ku district obani ku magombolola ibindu byo byayiriwa mumbo ni mushifo sheku sirabusa.
I want to end by thanking the UN
ngara kumalisanga asima United Nations
and the European Union for selecting Uganda as a spotlight country. I hope whatever resources you have can be used to especially strengthen economic independence. For me, I think that's where the biggest effort should be.
President Agulumari, kama namboka kuyeta hoka, kama namboke keshiba shos UN, nike Bulaya, EU, singabanga baba abakuyeta bayeta bakira mabefu, ni bakuyete munjeri ye byefuna kumalawo butambi. Babandu babenga bakira babanga bafuna obubindi fubabene.
It is not easy for a husband to beat an economically independent woman.
Ishirishangu umuseta kukupa umukasi uli ni kamani byefunata.
That beating and all that mistreatment is really tied to economic independence.
Bye kukupa umukasi bibi byambakana ni ifuna indini obeka liota iye bakiramu.
So I congratulate the women of Uganda.
Ana inasiriyosi mabakira maba Uganda mwesi sana.
funds.
aregereka kureka amapesa mu bindu biyeta bakirama babana basetsa fesitana birera buyindifu.
And also root out corruption.
Kuruseo ni babandu bana bwifi bibindu biba mu bwifi.
Now, regarding I have the figures now.
Abe president walindire shibalo tsinamba tsesala mirare bamwe ne kumbanye anyuma ko mushibuli tsinamba abe hulina sota tsiyamba ko biye.
The constituencies in Uganda now are 289.
Si constituency tsiri bimya bibiri kama komishinane na shene mu Uganda yose.
Only 20 women have taken these 289 have won.
Hutso bakasi obabakira makama kubikabiri konyen kakate mu parliament ngakatsira ku ticket ya constituency buterevu.
So if we are to depend on this simple democracy of one person one vote, the women would have no voice in parliament.
Kale abanga okwalonderera kuli kutsirira khalulu ko mundu mutwera kukupa buli mundu mutwera twera abe bakira mani basa ebanyala bolese nabe mala mu parliament.
And that was the situation in 1962.
Awe ne oni yes kwabera mu 1962.
Because in the parliament of about 90 people, there were only 3 women.
Awe ne o mu parliament abandu kama kumishenda mwabako bakasi babiri bonyene.
And even those were specially nominated. Were specially nominated.
Ni balala baba atebo baba busanga baba londere burawa baba bukuye burawa.
So that's why our strategy of okubejera was really very correct.
So shikiro bonori NRM government kubona kuri kumekera ko bakirama ishawo era sho shindu shikuru nabi shesi kwananikira ko kubona kuri yeta bakirama.
So the districts are now 135.
The district and
you can expect at least 135 women.
Arionya usubira busori mu parliament munaba mubakasi shimya shitwera kama bikataru na barana.
And some other women come through UPDF.
Nibala babiri mu UPDF mamumae.
The youth.
Ba fubuha.
PWDs.
Baleme.
And the workers.
Nibarambi.
Of course, some are ex-officials, ministers.
Nibala na bobala lesi President Angala ne banko badenge bali ba member ba parliament tane baba ba minister.
Now, therefore, as we celebrate the 25 years of the 1995 Constitution, we should be able to audit what has been achieved, which is a lot. But for me, I think emphasis should be put on economic empowerment. And economic empowerment does not have to depend on land. But if the women want, can also buy land. These wealth funds can be used by the women to buy land. 2 acres, 3 acres.
Kamapesa kamalala kakesi kuramu wealth creation bidano kakosizana akanyakara ambisiwa hukulira bakira maliso.
In any case, some of the activities don't need much land. Like the small factories, the services, the ICT. So that ministry of gender should monitor this effort of empowering women through economic emancipation.
Kale President Ahulumari ministry hola kubiye bakira mayi itahubanga itya ironderera nabi bibindu binyala byatwesa bakirama mu byefuna
And you don't have to depend on the money which is through your ministry. Even the monies in other ministries, you should monitor them, see what impact they are having on the women.
Ministry kola kuba kiramayo ikaba ilirondera kampesa kabirira mu ministry yawe yonyenetawe the ministries in the ceremony bindu kama umuleo kama pesa karamba ku bindu bitsoesa bakirama nadala mu byefuna babirolere.
In terms of sensitization,
muku bona kuri kusomesa oba kubyangula bakirama oba babandu.
We should explain to the men that beating women is really cowardly.